Today we're going to make lung model. Materials needed: clear plastic jar or big soft drink bottle, pair of scissors, cutter, 2 rubber bands, 1 big round balloon, 2 small round balloons, glass or plastic tubing, and clay. Let's start! Make a hole at the bottom of the jar or plastic bottle. Prepare 2 empty ballpoint cases. Insert a small balloon at one end of the plastic tubing. Fasten the balloon tightly using a rubber band. Push the plastic tubing halfway to the hole. See to it that the small balloon will not touch the lid of the jar. Seal the side of the plastic tubing with clay or plasticine so that the air can only enter through the opening of the plastic tubing. Get the big balloon and cut a circular sheet to a size fitted to the opening of the jar or bottle. Stretch and fasten the balloon to the mouth of the bottle using the rubber bands. When the model is ready, pull the balloon at the base of the bottle. Observe what happens to the small balloons inside the bottle. Compare the model and movement of the balloons with the respiratory system. Hope you've learned something from this video. Thank you. Goodbye.